Contractor sna surak ubana ka jala Assam ula wan ringkat kitiar kitar da jingtmu ban sna penhe ya ka surak ka penyaso ya ka Assam langpi sedu Mawsikar ka baha kathan langpi West Khasi Hills District ula kam baka Mawsikar ka dei ka jaka jongki bat balei baki hab bandapan Jingbit habaki sna surak haga jaka la jong. Kani ka jingkran utay kontraktor kadai hadien ka jingshapan Pyneh haki Pulit ka langpi police outpost lembat ki ba na ketika than hadien bakalami ka jing persya ka bajur halor ketika jingsna surok jong ka Assam ha ketika than. Kat kom ka telong khubor ka blayok lum laong baka jingtmu jong tay kontraktor kadai halor ka nongrem ban penhe ka surok ka baladan lupa sya ka surok he lani ka tu lien henry ki ba jong ketika than ki laong baki kwa ban pen no shwa ya uput usam. Shu laong Bahadian katuk ani por bautai kontraktor bat kinong tray kila let Pyneh na ketika jaka na kaliang utai kontraktor ulawan biang ringkat ki Pulit Assam ban ker dara bat ban thau yeng trap ban sa kinong tray surok ham Mawsikar penban ketika jing temu jong ki bor ka Assam kala pulam no namar baki Pulit bat ki ba jong ketika snong kim shemla ailat layo iru hakadurki bagi Pulit ka langpi outpost kila yeng triang ban ong yo te kontraktor baudei banyak keren penbechwa bat ki bor district lani bat udisi ka West Khasi Hills haswa bu un sedang ya ketika jing pentrai hendrai te kontraktor pan ula ong bakum nukin pan Jingbit habaki trai surak haka jaka lajong.
हम ये नहीं कि आपको आपसे बात करने आता तो आपने ऐसा एटीट्यूड दिखाना I'm not in the position to talk with anyone. If you want to talk, you can talk with our government, with RDC. At least we can talk now. We just came here to meet. You are representing your Meghalaya, I am representing Assam. We just come here to meet in the situation. These are my people. You ask them. You are doing government work. I am a political. Okay. I am a political. I am analyze. You are not coming for a class. Cool down. We need to discuss. That's it. You see, I'm not in the position to discuss. If you want to discuss, you can talk with RDC, with our government. I have no problem. But with me, I have no authority to discuss. It's okay. It's okay. But between your police, your police, your police. So there needs to be some good communication. It should not be we are beginning. We have to maintain peace and order. Yeah, that's it. That's why. What is our duty to keep both the sides peace. So basic hierarchy and this should be maintained. You can refer to your distance. I will refer to my distance. So there is no. You have got to shout at each other. And I'm not coming to shout at each other. Okay. But before the arrangement or anything made by our government and your government from your DC and RDC, so all the things should stop. After everything is arranged, everything is clear, then you can proceed the work. No problem. Otherwise, you can contact. You can. Our government, what doing it here to clear the road, make good road. Here is culvert. I understand. But before doing all those things, we have been, arranging our labor. They are constructing house here to stay and to make good communication with your government and our government. That's what. Before doing the work, please make that communication. Right. Before starting the work, please make that communication to our government. So this is our land. So how we need to take permission? This is our land. We have. I think you see, if I'm not mistaken, both our governments and your government have signed one MOU. So based on that, you can communicate, you can contact, you can whatever you is deemed fit from your side, you can do it. But the work should be stopped. After the proper order, after the proper clarification or arrangement from both sides, then I have no problem with that. But the work should be stopped after everything is arranged in proper way. You follow the due procedure, then you can start the work. All are in proper order, proper norm. This is our land. We are going to construct culvert here. And for that, we have organizing to stay our laborers here. To process go on to. You have to communicate first. To whom? To our government, to our police. So this is our land. Why should we communicate? to you this government. This is a plan. The MOU between two governments already, I hope, already. So you also should understand that. We have also covered even paper. I think both the side, before doing anything, communication should be there, isn't it? If I'm not mistaken. That is the main thing. But from your side, I think up to this date also there is nothing. So at least communicate first. Something let's stop later. No, it's okay. Later. You see, sir, if I don't, it's not my position to explain you anything, but from your side, you know that. But if you don't do that one, then we are bound to do everything. So, who is looking this? That's what I do. I'm not questioning that. This is our land, and if you are also patrolling here, you should know it. You are saying that this is our my people. You are representing your people. You should know. You are doing duty here. But before starting any work, please.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bate yekamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balei hi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya